Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the application unknown software exception error 0x40000015 occur. The application is located and 0x10008117 error in your Windows 10, 8, 7 and further versions. So how to fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's see started. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. So the first method is that first of all in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click and click on a run as administrator. So click on a yes button and open a command prompt. So after that type a command sfc/scan now and press enter. After when you press enter, it's the verification proceeding visibly started, and it's required for a few minutes to complete the verification of your system scannings. So after completing this stat, you can restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this stat your problem has been fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your search box and type a msconfig. First of all type a run command, and after that type a msconfig, and opening it is that. Okay guys, after that you can for the general settings is uncheck the load startup items. So uncheck it, go to your services and click on hide all Microsoft services. After that you can disable for these all settings. After that click on apply and OK button and restart your computer. I'm sure that after doing this stat your problem has been fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that go to your systems and your PC, right click and go to your properties of your systems. After that you go to your advanced system settings. Okay guys, after that go to your system protections, and after doing this click on system restore, because at this time in my case it's a disable, but because I'm not facing at this type of this error, you can click on a system restore, and it's required for a few seconds to complete the it. After doing this stat, once again restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this stat your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.